Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect the PS4 controller to your computer. First, for a wired connection, simply use a micro USB cable. Make sure it's a data transfer cable, not just for charging, to ensure proper communication. Plug one end into your controller and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Your system should then automatically detect it as a generic gamepad, ready for immediate use in many applications. For a wireless connection, you'll use Bluetooth. Begin by putting your PS4 controller into pairing mode. Hold down the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds until the light bar starts flashing rapidly. Then, on your computer, navigate to your Bluetooth settings, select to add a new device, and choose Wireless Controller from the list that appears to complete the pairing process. To unlock more advanced features and ensure broader game compatibility, consider using DS4 Windows. You can download and install this free software from its official website. DS4 Windows effectively tricks your computer into recognizing your PS4 controller as an Xbox 360 controller, which many PC games natively support. This powerful tool also offers extensive customization options, including button remapping and fine-tuning the touchpad sensitivity for a personalized gaming experience. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A few simple troubleshooting steps can often resolve them. Try using a different USB port or restarting your computer entirely. For Bluetooth connections, ensure your drivers are up to date. Also, regularly check for firmware updates for your controller itself, as these can improve compatibility and performance. Remember, some games might require specific in-game settings adjustments for optimal controller support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.